Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Take a look at the ES today. This is our 240-minute chart. And you can see that coming into the session today, we were still making higher highs and higher lows. And we had a slight bullish bias originally, but we were extended. We were getting extended on the daily, so ES due for a pullback. And we ended up actually triggering a 240-minute bearish shooting star. Topping tail, and then the entire body of the bar was all selling. So this is a really bearish 240-minute shooting star. Triggered, ran down, got to the 50 EMA, hit significantly undervalued at that point. We know that the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA on this chart are significant support and resistance. In fact, you can see we haven't had a close under the 50 in a couple weeks. And we had one there, and then you had to go back all the way back into March to find a close under the 50 before that. So again, you can see that's a significant line of support. And we bounced right off of it again. Again, hit significantly undervalued right at the 50 EMA. That's always a good place to, at the very least, tighten stops, and you may want to consider taking profits. One of the trades, it wasn't the only trade we had today, but it's the last trade we took of the morning, was this 30-minute bear flag right here. You see, triggered the shooting star, made a pretty nice push down, broke through the 50 EMA, ran down to the 200, made a pretty decent bounce. See, we hit it here and then bounced all the way back up here, set up the bear flag, triggered, came down, bounced off of it again, broke under it, came back, retested it, and then went ahead and traded on down into target. Once we got down into here, that's where we were significantly undervalued on the 240-minute chart and at the 50 EMA on the 240-minute chart. Again, we know that was a potential for significant support. And here was the trade on the Unirenco chart. It was right here. Okay, well, this is not cooperating. Okay, anyhow, this is where we had the initial push down, pulled back, set up the bear flag. We triggered that bear flag, actually triggered in at 41.84. Our target was 41.68 and 3/4. You can see we actually popped under that by just a little bit. We ended up making 41.68 as the actual low. But that was good right there for a pretty quick, easy 15 ES points or $750 per contract. It was a pretty solid setup. Triggered the 30-minute bear flag, took it right down into target. And again, as you know, we trade to targets all the time in here. And so definitely the potential to grab at least $750 per contract on that last move of the morning to the downside in the ES.